The Anatomy of a Sneeze, read by Emma, Don Cronk's robot companion. A sneeze is a convulsive expulsion of inhaled air from the lungs through the nose and mouth. A sneeze occurs when foreign particles or external stimulation, such as a bright light, pass through the nasal hairs to reach the nasal mucosa. This triggers the release of histamines, a chemical messenger produced by the body's immune system that plays a role in allergic reactions. These histamines irritate the nerve cells in the nose, resulting in signals sent to the brain to initiate a sneeze through the trigeminal nerve network. The brain receives this signal, activates the pharyngeal and tracheal muscles, then creates a large opening of the nasal and oral cavities, resulting in a powerful release of inhaled air and bioparts. When irritants enter the nasal cavity, they stimulate the sensitive lining of the nose, causing a tickling sensation. The powerful nature of a sneeze is attributed to its involvement of numerous organs of the upper body. It is a reflective response involving the face, throat, and chest muscles. A sneeze travels 5 meters a second and can go as far as 60 meters. The sneeze consists of bacteria that have accumulated in the nose. The body sneezes to release bacteria into the world, where they search for another host to live on. Bacteria can live up to 24 hours outside of a host. You can visit us at our website, www.billabongvalleypublications.com.au. Bye for now, Emma.